So many barcodes.
There's so many barcodes because we already paid. Our HMO paid all the bills. Thank you, Lord. So our bill is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where are you? Eloise and Daddy, where are you hiding? Maybe under the table? No, under the chair? Behind the curtain? Maybe under the bed? On the telephone? On the drawer? No. Maybe on the TV? No. Inside the cabinet? On the refrigerator? No. Here, on the other cabinet? On the corner? Under the table? Maybe on the bed? Maybe under the bed? Maybe on the sofa? Maybe outside? Maybe behind the bed? Maybe behind the chair! I found you! Yeah, you're so great at hiding. Over there. You say, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. We have a smart TV. We have YouTube and other applications available. This one is yung foldable or extendable chair. This one is my freezer. Oh no, refrigerator. This one is yung cabinets. Ayan. And then, ayan, malaki yung room. May controllable aircon din here. Ayan. And then, this is yung CR nila. Bathroom, CR. Ayan. And then, we have here yung mga garbage cans. Ayan. So, ito yung shower nila. Okay, amazingly na ang sayang maligo kasi hot shower yung available. Warm and cold bath. So, ayan. Meron din sila dito yung mga amenities, no? Na pwede mong i-refill daily. So, hot...
Hindi, yung pinakaharap na ano, yung
did you see this? A dog. And this one is Supergirl. And we're reading a newspaper. Why you cry? Hello to our visitor, Tito.
Dito na ako matutulog. Pwede ka na umuwi. Dito na.
Yay! Uwi na ako. Mag-mall muna ako. Paltang ko yung ano.
Oh, sige.
Fishy, fishy. Eat a fish. A fish eye.
Bali, you're running for 1 hour ito.
Yay!
This Monday? Oh, sige. Naka-work from home naman ako. So finally going home. Can you show them your hands? No, dextrose na. How about the other one? Yay! Is it ouchy? Oh, but it's okay. We're healed na. Her diagnosis was Roseola infantum. It's a common virus for infants up to 3 years old. So our bill is 74,055.15 centavos. Where are we? Bye-bye. Is that your ride?
Alright.
Is that your ride going
You
home?
want to go there?
We're going home. Aba, magaling na.